boys and girls? Welcome to Gruvgear Guitar. I'm having fun with the song here. It's from Stick Figure. It's called Sound System, alright? Not the newest song, aware of that, but I just came across this one. I thought, yeah, why not have some reggae time? And that got the whole world humming. That's also what to sing about. Now we're gonna do this very simple, and that's exactly how the song is, really. No need for any capo here, only two chords and one cool melody that goes around in this song. So let's play with that. Okay, as I mentioned, no need for any setup here, two chords. Let's go over them first. We're gonna start with A minor, and that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. That is A minor, and you're gonna alternate that with E minor. And that will be open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. Alright, so you have that A minor, E minor, A minor, A minor from the beginning until the end. Okay, now let's go into that bass going on there. So bass for A minor goes like this. So first one down on that open A, then open A again, third A, open A, third A, and open A. Okay, so that is the melody for, or bass for A minor. So first, and then just alternate open and third A. Then you go to E minor part and play like this. So play now one open E with a pause, and then open E again, third E, open E, and third E. And that's it. So together it goes like this. And then that just keeps on rolling. Now, since it's reggae, you're gonna play a lot on the up when it comes to strumming, so like this. That is my suggestion to hold the strumming that simple. I'm gonna give you one second suggestion as well, but we're gonna start with this first. So what I do here is to play one short downstroke on the bass strings, and then I really emphasize the ups here. So up, a clap, or just mute if you want to. I think a clap will suit very well here. So clap like this, and then up again. And that's one round. So down, up, clap, up, down, up, clap, up. And notice I'm trying to mute when I play all these, because I really want to have this jumpy feeling on it. So down, clap, and down with the clap there, that's automatically is muted. And then the ups here, I leave my little pinky there in front of the strings. You can also use your strumming hand and lean to the top of the strings in some way, or maybe just release the tension from the strings is one way as well. Some way you want to have that kind of a muted feeling. So okay, that is the one strumming pattern that I suggest. You can also play like this. That is more of a common strumming, and that will be to play down up to start with, and then clap up down up. The timing of the clap will be the same as in the reggae style, so but this is more a straightforward guitar strumming. So down up, clap up, down up. Okay, so if you try to go with the strumming now only, you're gonna play one of these per chord. So A minor 1, E minor 1, A minor 1, E minor 1. Either if you go like this, or and now, since you know the bass, you can actually try to get some of these notes, maybe not all, but some of them, into that strumming pattern. So it could sound something like this. right, so there you have the tools, guys, to handle this song sound system. All right, cool song, reggae influenced, and simple melody, 2 chords only, no capo, nothing, just go. So there you have it, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you do, feel free. No, actually, I encourage you to subscribe to the channel and give me a like on this one. Thank you so much, and play tuned.